What's up, family? And we back again. We working on the Caprice. So now, what I'm going to show you today is there's guides on these windows that go bad and cause your window not to roll down crooked, fall completely off the track. So what I'm going to show you today is how to fix that. So right now, I'm working on the back door panel. I'm getting these screws out. And I'm trying something new, man. I'm gonna do a little voiceover. See if you guys like it. If you don't, let me know. If you do, we'll keep doing them. So right now we're removing the screws on the back door panel. The reason for that is because the front door panel is so mangled and broken up. It wouldn't really help anybody with how to remove that door panel. It's literally duct taped on. So basically right now I'm showing you how to remove the rear door panel. I hope that gives you better information and is useful. But basically what we did was we got all our screws out. You seen the one at the bottom of the door, one at the handles, two on the pull, and then two in that little cubby there that you'd set your arm on, basically your armrest. So I'm getting the trim out. Everything is fragile, everything is brittle, so be careful, take your time. Everything is old. It's a 96, so you're gonna have some issues with that as well. So take that guy off, set it to the side. I'm gonna feel around the door panel to make sure there isn't any extra screws or something that I'm missing. It's always a good check. Right now I'm gonna get my trim removal tool. I'm gonna pop these little door panel clips out, and you'll be able to see once I go to the other side, the other one is already non-existent. So right now, all you gotta do is lift up on that panel and it'll come right off. So once you got your panel off, all you gotta do is pull down that plastic that you see, that's the vapor barrier. And now, basically, I'm looking for the old guides, and you can see them right there, and you can see how they break. They just split right in half. So basically, I'm gonna pry that end of that rail up, and you can see that I pried it up, and I'm putting the new guide in there. I'm gonna attach the part number to that where you can pick that up. So as you can see, it's all bent down, guides are in, and we're ready to go to the next clip. Okay, got the window taped up. I did clean out the rails. I did get the old pieces out. Went back with a rag, cleaned everything up. After I cleaned everything up, I'm basically just gonna squeeze these. It's like a ball in a socket. On each side it's gonna be different. It just depends on what works for you. So that side I just squeezed it with some pliers, and over here I'm using a little bit of dry lube. I'll put that also on the screen so you can check it out. And I'm gonna, on this side I have a lot of space, so I can use a C-clamp to compress it, which is night and day difference, much easier. So over here, twist it until it falls into that socket, take it out, and you're pretty much good to go. I lubed up the rail with that dry lube. Silicone spray works as well. It just has to be, it needs to be safe for plastic. Any type of petroleum will dissolve that plastic, and you don't want to use that in there because you'll be back within the year. So now I'm just checking to make sure the window goes up and down before you put the door panel back on, and everything is operating correctly. Right now you want to lube up the guides on the side that guides that window up and down, and then you could throw the door panel back on, man, and you're good to go. Alright, so you got your door panels back on, everything's good to go. I'm just using some of this dry lube and spraying it in those guides, just like that. And I'm just getting over here, getting it in there, letting it soak all the way down. And that'll help your window glide up and down real nice. Let's see what we got. Okay. This one here. nice and smooth. So that's it, man. That's the video of the car, man. He goes, keep tapping in with me. I'm gonna keep on making more videos. I'm sorry about halfway through. I'm gonna do a voiceover so then y'all can hear what I had going on, some of the difficulties I ran into. You know, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.